Hey, I'm John, and today I am making a delicious red curry with duck and a bit of a secret ingredient, lychees. Now that sounds really bizarre, but I've been seeing this on TikTok for a while, and a couple of famous chefs in Australia have been making this recipe and sell this dish at their restaurants, so I've been dying to try it, and I can say, like, the sauce is absolutely delicious. The lychees, I really wasn't sure, but the lychees go so well with that kind of spicy and rich sauce and the richness from the duck. And it all kind of balances and it is incredible. So I really urge you to try making this because it is so easy. So let's get straight into making this.
To begin, I'm going to prep my duck breasts. Duck breasts are pretty common at your local supermarkets now and are really easy to cook. If you can't find duck, feel free to use chicken or just keep this vegetarian. So to prepare the duck breasts, I like to remove the overhanging fat off the sides of the breasts. The secret to cooking a perfect duck breast is slowly bringing the pan to heat with the fat side down. This renders away the fat into a crispy layer of deliciousness. To help with the process, make shallow slices in the fat crossways, making sure not to cut into the meat. I then like to add some salt on both sides to bring out the excess moisture, then set to the side while I prepare the sauce. The sauce is really easy. I'm just adding about 3 heaped tablespoons of red curry paste into a hot wok, waiting for it to bubble a little, and then add a whole tin of coconut milk. Make sure to have your exhaust fan on as it smells delicious, but the spices might make your eyes water a little bit. Gently mix the coconut milk and curry paste together and add a few torn kaffir lime leaves, a little sugar. I'm using palm sugar. If you don't like it sweet, I would omit the sugar altogether since the lychees add sweetness. I also like to add some fish sauce for a balanced salty kick. In all my meals I like to add some veggies. Today I'm using chopped carrots and zucchini, but feel free to add anything. Cook down the sauce until the veggies are almost at your desired softness, and add a little water if the sauce begins to dry out. At this stage, chop up your tin lychees into desired pieces. I'm using about half a cup and cutting them in half. Add them to the sauce with a few teaspoons of the lychee syrup from the tin. Mix and turn the heat off. Now let's cook the duck. In a cold pan, place the duck fat side down and very slowly bring the temperature up so that the fat melts. Once a sufficient amount has melted at low heat, maybe for about 3 or 4 minutes, turn the heat to a medium and cook until browned. Once the fat is a gorgeous golden brown, place fat side up in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 4 minutes. This allows the duck to cook perfectly in the center. You don't want to overcook it since the duck breast itself is not very fatty, meaning it will dry out. Allow the duck to rest for about 5 minutes while you reheat your sauce and veggies and cook your rice. Taste your sauce. If it's too sweet, add some lime juice, or add more fish sauce if it's not salty enough. Once it's done, don't forget to remove the kaffir lime leaves. Slice your duck into finger-width pieces and serve. Add your rice, curry sauce, and veggies, duck, and a lychee on top for decoration. I'm also adding some snow peas for a fresh crunch.
And here we go. Here is the delicious red curry duck with lychees. Now, I really hope you give it a go because it honestly is quite interesting. It soared past my expectations. It really is quite tasty and very easy, really. But yes, make this for some friends or some family, whoever you want to impress, and I bet that they will love these flavors. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.